Namaste. In this session, I will discuss 2D sketches using Fusion 360 software. This is the simplest 2D sketch. See, by observing this, I am going to draw this half portion. This half portion I am going to draw it here. Okay, half portion I will start from here. See, from here to here, how much is there? 60, then 20, then this length is 30, then vertical length is 25, then 5, then slope length is there of angle 45. Then I will connect like this. See, I am going to draw this sketch first. I am going to select the create sketch, then pick any one of the plane. Then as usual, I will start from here. From here to here, how much is there? 60. Then click on line command. I will start from origin 60, length as 60, then vertical line, say from here to here 20, then 30, vertical line is 20, then extend horizontally to the left of length 30, then again see here, then again vertical line of length 25, then again horizontal line of length 5, okay na? Vertical line of length 25, then extend this horizontally to the left of length 5, then project down this up to here, then you connect to the origin. Now it's very important, this angle is given. See, from this angle how much? This is the 45 degree. Click on sketch dimension. The angle from this line to this line how much? It should be 45. Okay, after that I will draw the remaining of portion with the help of a mirror. See here, mirror tool is there. Click on this mirror tool. It is asking objects to be mirror. Select complete sketch. Then mirror line. I will select this as mirror line. Then click on OK. These lines we don't want. Delete this line. Then this completes the 2D sketch. Now after that you save. Then save the whatever we have the project, you save it. Thank you. This is the second sketch. I think this is also simplest sketch. Uh, by observing this, I'll start from these two circles. I draw two circles of diameter 20 mm as well as 40 mm. Then after that, I will draw here two circles of diameter 25 as well as 50. See, this is the Fusion 360 interface. Select create sketch, pick any one of the plane. Then I am going to select this circle, start from origin, click the origin as a center of circle. First diameter as 20, create. Then again select same point as a center of another circle of diameter 40, press enter key. Now I am going to draw these two circles, okay, of diameter 25 as well as diameter 50. Again, I'm going to select the circle. Here, randomly, I'm going to select the center of the circle. First, I'm going to draw the diameter 25. Click, then select same point as another circle of diameter 50. Then press enter key. Now, I'm going to give the dimensions from center of this circle to this circle. How much is there? Center of this circle to this circle, vertical diameter is this you consider as 100. Okay, na? This you consider as 100. 100 minus 20, then this vertical length is 80. Then horizontal length, how much from this center to this center? Total length is 150 minus 25 means 125. Now I will choose the sketch dimension. Measure dimension horizontally from this center to this center. It should be 125. Enter. Then vertical distance from this point to this point, vertical, it should be 80. Press enter key. See here. This is a 80 and horizontal is a 125. Okay na? Now after that, I am going to connect a outside this circle and outside this circle. How do you connect? By drawing horizontal line and vertical line. Horizontal line how much? 150. Vertical line. Click on line command. First, I'm going to delete this by for avoiding the confusion. Okay, I'm going to delete this. 25. Now I'm going to connect outside this circle and outside this circle with the help of a line command. Just I will zoom it, connect 10, 150. Length is 150. Give length as 150. Give length as 150 here. Can I give length as 150? Okay, na? Now draw vertical line or draw vertical line of length how much? Just you observe length 100, length 100. Just to connect this tangent point. See, like this. Next, after that, again, I am going to draw horizontal line from this tangent. See, randomly, I will take the length, close this line, draw vertical line from this tangent. Okay, now it closes. Remove these extra lines with the help of trim. Trim these two extra lines. See, now here this is like this. Now I am going to apply the fillet in between these two lines of radius 40. Click on fillet, select horizontal and vertical line of fillet radius how much? 40. Press enter key. Now I want to delete the some unwanted curves or lines. This is I don't want this, and this is also I don't want this. See, this completes the sketch. This is the next 2D sketch. By observing this 2D sketch, first I am going to draw the outside this square of length 100 mm. This is the Fusion 360 interface. Select create sketch. Choose on any plane. Click on rectangle. I will start from. Okay, here I am going to select create tab. In that rectangle, I will select input as center rectangle. Select origin as a center of rectangle. Draw the rectangle. After that, click on sketch dimension. Give the this length as 100. Press enter key, and this length is also 100. Now after that, this is the square of length 100. Now I am going to draw the this slot. This slot of width 20 mm. Click on create tab. Slot. Here I am select input as a center to center slot and draw the slot of width 20. Then after that I want to give the dimensions here. Specify the dimensions from here to here. How much is there? From this edge to this edge 15. Click on sketch dimension. Distance from this center point to this, how much is there? That is 30. Then distance from this edge to this center point, this is also 30. This is a 15. Now after that, these two slots are similar are there. I will take the mirror of this slot, then it will be completely another slot. For mirror purpose, I will draw the one line. Now I will choose on mirror command. Object, it is asking object to select. I will select the this slot as a mirror object. Then select mirror line as this vertical line. Click on OK. Now I will delete this mirror line. I will delete this construction line also. Okay. Now in this sketch, at the corner of this square, fillet is there. Click on modify tab. Then here fillet. I will apply the fillet to all the corner of the square. Select two lines of corner 25. Then double click on this 25. Again 25. Then 25. Enter. See now check this. See it completes the sketch. Now after that you click on save button and save the file. This is the next sketch. This is also very simplest sketch is there. I start from here. First, I am going to draw the one vertical line from the origin of length 170. Here, I am going to draw two circles. One diameter is 80 and another diameter of the circle is 160. Then after that, draw the horizontal line from here to here 40, 30, 30, 30, then 40, then draw vertical line from here to here of length 140. Then you connect this line to this outer. Click on create sketch. Pick any one of the plane. Start from line. Select line. Start from origin. The length is 170. 170. Select. Now I am going to select a circle. Here there are two circles are there. One circle diameter is 80 and another circle diameter is 160. See like this I have drawn two circles. Then I start from here 40, 30, 40 like this. Click on line command. 40 length is 40. Then extend vertically upward 30. Then horizontal line 30. Then extend downward offline 30, then horizontal line 40, then extend vertically of length 140. Then you connect this line to this outside circle. Now remaining of sketch I will draw with the help of mirror objects. To be mirror, we have to select like this. Now mirror line is this. Click on OK. You don't select, delete this line, trim the unwanted curve also. Now in this sketch, fillet is there in these corners 10 mm, and here also fillet, here also fillet, and here of radius 10 mm. Fillet, radius of this fillet is 10, radius of this is 10, 10 plus 10. See, this completes the sketch.